Greetings friends, Max Sterling here with a gem of a video that's poised to transform your personal growth journey. Imagine finding a tool that could catapult your awareness and development beyond all those seminars, diets, exercises, books, and conversations combined. Yes, such a tool exists, and it's as simple as a pen and paper. We're peeling back the pages on journaling today, and trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to want to embrace this practice with the fervor of a treasure hunter who's just glimpsed the X on a map. So stay tuned, because you're about to discover how this humble method holds the key to expanding your human consciousness. How often do we find ourselves caught in a whirlwind of digital noise, unable to sit through a 2-minute clip without craving more stimulation? Our attention spans are fragmented, but here's the antidote. It's time to reclaim our focus with the age-old art of journaling. The truth is, we live in a world oversaturated with data, but starved for profound wisdom. I'm here to tell you that the practice of jotting down thoughts and reflections isn't outdated. It's an essential habit for anyone serious about their personal progress. If you had to brave the flames and could salvage only one item from your home, what would it be? For me, it's my journal. It's the vessel that contains the essence of my experiences, the archive of my growth, and the blueprint of my dreams. Take a moment and ask yourself, what physical object holds the most value to my personal development? Journaling isn't just a casual diary entry or a place to narrate trivial daily events. It can be the most gripping book you'll ever read, because you're both the author and the reader, and it's tailored exclusively to you. History's most remarkable minds, from Leonardo da Vinci to Mark Twain, understood the importance of journaling. And now, it's your turn to unlock this treasure trove of self-discovery. I want to guide you through how to revolutionize your life with this practice, and we're not just scratching the surface, we're going deep. But first, let me extend an invitation. If you're finding value in this discourse, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Now, let's venture into the pillars of effective journaling. It starts with your why. Acknowledge the compelling reasons to invest time into this practice. Next is the what. Shatter those misconceptions you might have about journaling. It's not a juvenile secret keeper but a sophisticated tool for growth. And finally, the how. We're going to delve into the nitty-gritty of shaping your journaling technique to best serve your aspirations. Perhaps you've had flashes of brilliance or ideas that could change the course of your life, only to watch them fade into the background noise of your busy days. Let's stop that cycle. Journaling allows you to capture these fleeting insights, contemplate them, and turn them into concrete action. Are you ready to dive into the how? Let's take a peek at my current journal. Notice the absence of lines? That's intentional. It opens up a world of possibilities where creativity flows unencumbered. Whether you prefer to write sideways, in circles, or sketch out your thoughts, a blank page journal provides you with the freedom your mind craves. I segment my journal into personalized categories that resonate with my life's focus. Book notes, gratitude, ideas, goals, and reflections all have their dedicated spaces. If you're someone who values continuous learning, you might include a section to distill the wisdom from every book you read. Grab those highlighters, and let's color your life with the insights that matter to you. Think about it. When was the last time you truly reflected on your gratitude? Studies from the most prestigious universities pin down gratitude as a key component for transcending from ordinary contentment to extraordinary joy. In your journal, dedicate space to practice gratitude. Jot down 5 things you're thankful for weekly and watch as a mindset of abundance takes root within you. Moving on, consider establishing a brain dump section for those days when life feels overwhelming. It's your safe space to release unfiltered thoughts, fears, anxieties, and frustrations. This practice isn't just therapeutic, it's a necessary purge to maintain emotional health. Remember, what isn't expressed is often repressed, only to resurface later in undesired ways. Don't forget to set aside space for your aspirations. What do you wish to create this year? What are your goals for personal and professional fulfillment? This segment is your planning ground, the workshop where ideas take shape and form your roadmap to success. As you commit to this practice, notice how journaling becomes more than mere reflection. It evolves into a compelling dialogue with your innermost self. The pages of your journal will bear witness to your lows, your highs, and everything in between. Revisiting these pages years down the line will offer you a profound perspective on your growth trajectory. Before I unveil the practical steps to help you get started, let me remind you, if you appreciate the insight shared thus far, reflecting that with a gesture of support would mean the world. A tip proportional to the value you've received can be left through the link in the description below. How to kickstart this habit? Begin by securing a journal that feels right to you. Blank pages are recommended for unrestricted expression. Decide on sections that align with your unique journey: book notes, gratitude, brainstorming, goals, and, yes, even a domain for your creative spirit. Populate these with vibrant colors, symbols, or whatever speaks to your soul. Treat it like the dashboard of your life, where every gauge and dial is tailored to guide you toward your North Star. This practice is your silent partner in conquering the chaos of the digital age, offering clarity and wisdom amid the cacophony of modern life: dating, bulldog mindset, and divine masculine pursuits. It's the stronghold where you can retreat to cement your aspirations for finance and investing, marketing and advertising, and every other facet of life poised for exponential growth. Friends, I implore you to give journaling the chance it deserves. The power it wields to transform your life is monumental. As you close this video and contemplate your next steps, consider the actions you will implement from today's discussion. Share your thoughts, and let's engage with the intention of elevating each other to the pinnacle of success. Remember, the strongest version of yourself is sculpted through the diligent application of wisdom and the unwavering commitment to personal evolution. Thank you for sharing your time with me today. Stop settling, start living, and may your journal be the canvas where the masterpiece of your life takes form. Greetings, gentlemen. Imagine cracking open the code to a life of clear vision and purpose as we step into a new era. Just picture it. The icons of success, the likes of Gates, Buffett, and Oprah, they all harness this simple yet powerful tool. Let's follow in their footsteps. Are you ready to transform your life with me? Let's dive into the ultimate mastery of journaling. It's not just about reflecting, it's about sculpting your very existence. Stick around, as by the end of this video, not only will I unveil a chance to win a powerful tool that'll rocket your growth, but you'll also emerge equipped to entirely reshape your decade. Don't let the chance to redefine your 2023 slip through your fingers. Hit like, subscribe, and let's forge your vibrant future together. Fellow Pathfinders, our journey today is not your typical fare. We're switching gears, ridding ourselves of formality, in favor of real talk about real change. And believe me, the lengths we've gone to prepare this content are no short of Herculean. This is the mayhem and magic of journaling, your gateway to personal evolution. Reflect upon the year 2023, a canvas ready for your mastery. What do you envision for your vigor, your relationships, your empire of success? With the blank slate of a new decade before you, the only question that remains is, what will you inscribe upon it? Let the excitement bubble within. Channel that energy, leave behind the past's burdens, and carve out your dream existence. This isn't just about journaling, it's about engineering a phenomenal year ahead. Whether you seek a divine partner, entrepreneurial zeniths, or a quantum leap in personal growth, now is your moment. Journaling, my friends, transcends mere habit. It's the repository of genius where Einstein intersected with Da Vinci, a companion to saints and a counsel to magnates. It's the crucible where inspiration blends with action to birth your tangible tomorrow. This isn't aimless consumption, this is deliberate creation. Let's break free from simply absorbing wisdom and instead wield our journals as instruments of profound transformation. Envision flipping through your life script. Your chronicles are not only a homage to your progress but a blueprint for advancements yet to unfold. With the determination of discipline, we etch our goals in ink, transforming the nebulous into the concrete. Picture a personalized yearbook, recounting your strides in health, finance, and self-fulfillment, a relentless march towards the strongest, most accomplished version of yourself. Let's power through 2023 with a bold declaration. Inscribe your name, your banner of refusal to settle for mediocrity onto this journal. Declare it your manifesto, your unyielding commitment to climb higher, venture beyond, and live a narrative of your own making. In the essence of your journal lies the beating heart of your aspirations. Jot down the distilled wisdom of each passing season, your guiding mantras for success, financial acumen, and marketing mastery. This is about monumental insights, not fleeting distractions. Prioritize transformation over mere transaction. Leverage your learnings to mold a life of affluence and impact, fashioning a habitat where your external triumph echoes your rich internal landscape. Remember, men of unwavering resolve, our lives are merely a series of decisive actions away from our grandest dreams. Embrace the candid reminder of our mortal clock, a finite collection of days pushing us to seize each one with vigor. Adopt a stoic memento of the impermanence of our existence, fueling a fervent pursuit of legacy and fulfillment. Now, let's get tactical. Carve out your sanctuary of aspirations in your journal. Delineate your dominions of enterprise, vigor, and zest. We're talking strategy, not just wishes from a colossal YouTube following to the ideal physical form and inner serenity. Envision a year hence, looking back at a trail of achievements. Have you multiplied your influence? Have you sculpted a physique that exudes power? Have you discovered tranquility within? Your answers await in the discipline of your entries and the finesse of those penned pages. As we orchestrate 2023, allocate sections for learning, strategy, and creativity. Let each domain of your life find its sanctuary on those pages. Record mastermind insights, map out your conquests, and strategize content that ignites and empowers. Behold a system that banishes chaos. Delineate each week of this year, commemorate victories, and audit the steps toward greatness. Resist the siren call of digital distractors. Opt instead for the tangible, the real, a notebook that's as steadfast and unyielding as you. Within your journal, exercise the liberty to explore. Let it be your haven for untamed thought and exploration. Whether it's about modern life dating strategies, the pure power of semen retention to attract success, or the finesse of financial investments, allow your creativity to roam without boundaries. Stave off rigidity. Let your journal be a wellspring of inspiration. Embrace the systematic yet free-spirited dance of entries that blur the lines between today's musings and tomorrow's victories. This journal is not an anchor but a set of wings. In the throes of life's tumult, unleash your thoughts onto paper. A brain dump is not surrender, it's strategy. Confront your challenges with a sword of introspection and return to those words with a coach's wisdom, guiding yourself to solutions with sage-like detachment. Brothers in growth, your dedication to evolving through every syllable is evident, and to honor your commitment, I'm extending an invitation to make this practice your own. Be one of the chosen few to receive a journal, hand-signed, a testament to your relentless pursuit of excellence. Take action, seize this chance. Only those who dare to inscribe the code word in the comments below will step into the arena for this prize. Leap into this offer now, join a brotherhood of modern-day sages, and anchor your aspirations in the bedrock of daily reflection. To summarize, gentlemen, journaling is your battle plan for the extraordinary. Consider this your summons to action, to sculpt, to create, to define the era ahead. What strategies will you enact? Let me know, and together, let's build your empire, one page, one day, one decisive action at a time. Thank you for joining me. If you found value here and wish to pay it forward, consider leaving a tip as a gesture of gratitude. Every bit advances our collective journey. Stay strong, unwavering, and remember, never settle.